table shows a portion of function h of x that is either concave up or concave down, but not both. Describe the graph of the function on the interval 1 to 5. So here we go. We have our graph between 1 to 5. And it's telling us right now that it's going to be concave up or concave down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the rate of change, which gives us our linear change. And so this is going to help us figure out what the average rate of change is going to be. So linear is also like when you're finding the linear stuff here, you're finding the regular rate of change. So what are we doing here? Well, we are going from -3 to -10. By the way, these all go up by 1. So that makes it the equal length input value intervals being the same. Okay. These go up by, what am I doing? Adding 3, you're adding 5, you're adding 7, and you're adding 9. So what we have is these go up by the same amount of numbers. These go up by different numbers, but the numbers as you go up are increasing. So we would say that the rate of change is increasing, making it concave up. Okay, so the graph of h is concave down? Nope. The graph of h is concave up because the function is increasing and the average rate of change over equal length input value intervals is increasing. Yup. The graph of h is concave down? Nope. The graph of h is concave up because the function is increasing and the average rate of change over equal length input value intervals is decreasing. Nope. So whenever your rate of change is increasing, you're looking at concave up. Okay, simple as that. Boy, was that fun. Hope this helps.